Hey loves, it's Brianna. If you need cleaning motivation, this video is for you. If you're just having one of those days where it's really hard to get off the couch or get out of bed and your home needs a little bit of a reset, I've got you covered. So this is going to be power hour style. I have 1 hour and I'm going to try to reset my home, get as much cleaning done as I possibly can, and I highly encourage you to get up and start cleaning with me because you always feel so much better after the cleaning is done. I know it might be hard to get up right now, but let's do this together. All right, we're getting started cleaning Kailua's litter box so we can get this bathroom all cleaned up today. I know this is a job I really don't enjoy, but once I get it done, I feel so much better. So I know you might not want to clean today, but get up, let's do this together. And if you need a little extra encouragement today, you just let me know down in the comments. Because I'm here for you, this community is here for you, and I can be your virtual cleaning buddy and cheer you on. Next, I wanted to clean the mirrors and wipe down all the sinks in here.
About you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
And if you've watched my videos, you know this is my least favorite cleaning task, the toilet, but someone's got to do it. But now I think about it, can I assign the kids to start doing this one? Like, how old should they be when they start? Let me know. Moving into my bedroom, I wanted to give my mirror a good wipe down because Hayden, my 3, almost 4-year-old, always loves to run in here, and he smushes his cute little face up against the mirror and kisses it, so there's lip smudges, handprints all over it. But I cannot believe he's in preschool already. Like, where did the time go? Did I just push him out? No, a lot of you have seen that video. But I mean, he's been really enjoying preschool, which is so cute. He was so sad the one Saturday because he didn't have preschool. Like, woke up, he's like, it's preschool. I'm like, no, it's Saturday. He's like, no. But it is just crazy. I have 3 kids in school and no more diapers. It really is. It's a whole new mom era for me right now. Like, what is this phase called? Is there a name for it? And I wanted to change the sheets because I just love the feeling of falling into bed after a long day and sleeping on fresh sheets. And a huge thank you to Snap Power for sponsoring today's video. So my littlest guy, Hayden, recently was potty trained, and I was thinking, oh my gosh, I have to get all these night lights for him now because he's getting up in the middle of the night to go use the bathroom. And I heard about Snap Power's guide lights and I realized they were the solution to my problem. So they're so easy to install. I'm a single mom who is not handy, and all I had to do with my screwdriver is unscrew my current outlet covers. These snap right on and you screw them right in. You don't need an electrician. There's no batteries needed. The LED light in them lasts up to 25 years and it's a sensor, so there's no on or off switches. So when it's dark, the light is on. It just makes it so nice for not only Hayden, but any of the kids. If they do have to get up in the middle of the night, they can see down the hallway, they can see in the bathroom. They don't have to turn on, the really big overhead light then that I feel like wakes them up and prevents them from going back to sleep a little bit easier. So I'm just so happy that we got these. I feel like it's made nighttime bathroom breaks go so much more smoothly. And I always like to share mom tips and helpful hacks with you guys, and I feel like Snap Power guide lights are just too good to keep, so I have to share them with you. I have a link down in my description box below that you can use, and of course, I always like to get you guys a deal. If you use the code 15VidBrianna, you get 15% off of your order from Snap Power, and thank you again to Snap Power for sponsoring today's video. Moving into my bathroom now, I wanted to also give us a good clean for the week ahead, so I'm going to clean the mirrors and the sinks and the countertops first.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing.
Next, I'm gonna spray down the tub and the shower so that it gets disinfected while I clean the toilet. My favorite. Just kidding. But, okay, I have been feeling really overwhelmed lately. And I feel like I know I'm not the only mom feeling this way. I think with the start of school and all the activities, it just feels like September has gone by in an absolute blur. But I know I've talked about just how overscheduled we are in past videos, so sorry to sound like a broken record. But I do know once October is over, it will sort of slow down a little bit for us. But then it's also the holidays, so I don't know if it will. But I just know it can be really hard to manage it all. Especially, let me know in the comments if you are, a single mom, a divorced mom, or, I feel like there's also, I've been seeing stuff of like you're a married single mom, right? Like you're just in charge of all the responsibilities and all the mental load. And yeah, I think, when you don't have a partner, there's just a lot. So let me know in the comments if you're in a similar boat. Sometimes it's just nice to know you're not the only one out there. But that being said, even if you are happily married and have a really helpful partner, there still can be really overwhelming stuff with the holidays coming up, work stress, all those things. Like I know all of us can feel stress and overwhelm because of different things. So because it's hard to manage it all, I really do hope that this video today is helpful, because sometimes if you just take that 1 hour, do a little power hour, right? You will be amazed at how much you can get done, or at least how much better it makes you feel when you put that hour of work into cleaning and make a little dent in the cleaning around your home.
I can get him off my mind. Oh, I want him to be mine, to be mine. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. All the way that I feel, yeah, I know that it's real, 'cause I can get him out of my head. I don't care what we do, everything's feeling new. Even if we stay in bed, my heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want.
Next, I wanted to throw in a load of laundry. When I can do at least one load a day, it does feel like I can manage it all a little bit better, especially with how busy we've been when, I don't have like a full day when I'm at home and can just do load after load of laundry. So it's nice to do at least one load a day. The family room was not that bad. It just needed a quick little tidy up in here. But I recently decorated for Halloween and the kids love it so much. They were so cute when they got home from their dads and saw it, because I did a lot of decorating when they were at their dads. Ada was like, "This is awesome!" It makes my mama heart so happy. And the kitchen just needed a little tidy up, so wiping down the counters and the appliances. They say the kitchen is the heart of the home. And when I have my kitchen tidied up, I feel so much better because I do spend so much time in here. So sometimes I will get the question of, I don't even know where to get started today, or like, where do I start cleaning? I would say maybe getting your kitchen cleaned up if it's not. If there's one room you can tackle, do the kitchen. I also think there's something really important about making your bed every day, especially if you are feeling depressed. Because when you have that you don't want to get out of bed feeling, I think getting out, making the bed, it gives you a quick feeling of accomplishment. And it also gives you accountability of, well, I'm not going to get back into the bed because I just made it. I'm not going to mess it up. So just know, if you're having that feeling, you are not alone. And there is such a wonderful community here on YouTube that I am so grateful for each and every single one of you. And I especially love when we chat during the premiere of each video. So please, if you haven't joined the chat yet, come and say hi. Just turn your notifications on. That way you'll know when my new videos are coming out and you can join. You can set a little reminder on YouTube so you get a notification on your phone so you know when the premiere is. Because it's just really nice to have friends here on the internet who can understand and offer support. And anytime you need a prayer, let us know. If you need encouragement, let us know. Truly, just leave a comment. Let us know. We're here to cheer you on. And, you are not alone. We're all in this together. And we're making our lives better with just a little bit of cleaning one day at a time.
Acting drunk even though we're sober. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. Fires around ourselves. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. Fires around ourselves. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you.
And if you've been here before, you know I love my mop vac. So going to make sure I do the floors in the kitchen and in the family room because that's where the most crumbs and stuff always is. And I just love when it smells so fresh and clean after I use the Method Almond Floor Cleaner. So good.
But we keep lighting fires. The words repeat cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. We keep on talking and talking, talking and talking. Memories come back when I'm with you. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you.
I never got it, why'd you have to go? I guess this world's too slow for you. I think there's beauty in the gray, the cold, but you just want the gold. And there's no way I can beat it, cause I got no chance, no chance when it comes to her. She got the glitter and the fame, and I just wasn't enough for you. Wish you could be happy, happy, yeah, yeah. But I can't lie, lie, lie. LA made you crazy, crazy, yeah, yeah. You don't care what's real no more, no, you don't want me anymore. You only want what you can afford. This is goodbye, bye, bye. LA made you crazy.
And like I mentioned earlier, there is something just so amazing about falling into fresh sheets at bedtime. So I'm going to make the bed because it's been a long week. It's been a long month since school started, and I am ready for bed after this.
You can't afford, this is goodbye, bye, bye. LA made you crazy, crazy, yeah, yeah. You don't care what's real no more, no, you don't want me anymore. You only want what you can afford, don't I make you feel something? Or maybe you can't feel anything. She's not gonna give you everything, we've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything to be in your arms again. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you. And here we go again, staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go.
What are you doing?
So give me a sign.
Silly girl. Hi. Hi, beautiful. You're so funny. You're so funny. Coley girls. Hi. Hi, sweetheart. It's almost your birthday. Oh, thank you. Thank you, baby. Is it almost your birthday? Are you going to be 16? So soon, sweet 16. That's right, old girl. Sweet old lady. All right, that is it for today's Power Hour Clean With Me. I hope you got tons of cleaning motivation. Make sure you're subscribed and have your notifications turned on, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, loves.
So give me a sign. Give me a sign.